along with the tradition.
Era plate with full swing.
Super. You know, you can see the meat of chicken. It's well cooked. Guys, I'm in the Navi Mumbai CBD Belapur. So here you can see Hyderabadi biryanis, as always have been my favorite. So here Hyderabadi authentic dum biryani, starter kebab and Mughlai food. Sorry, a little bit so here I'm going to introduce my friend. Hi, Malaysian. How are you, bro?
Hi.
Rohit.
Hi, Sishan. How are you?
So these guys are my friend, and he's Malaysian, ATOs, everyone ATOs, electrical officer, marine officer, and Asfa from Andaman Nicobar. Lakshadweep. Sorry, I forget. And Silvio from Kerala, right? Am I right? Yeah. So you want to say something?
Already we have come in this one of the restaurant in called as a Hyderabad biryani. So we have heard that so we have come in one of this restaurant called as Hyderabad biryani, and we have heard that this restaurant is a very good restaurant. So we're gonna try the biryani. Yeah.
So Rohit, have you ever heard about Hyderabadi? Why people like Hyderabadi biryanis? I mean, besides others biryanis.
I don't know anything about Hyderabad, but I'm from Goa, and actually I want to try Hyderabad biryani in Mumbai.
Now Silvio have to introduce Hyderabad. These two guys from South India, and both are my best friend, Asfaq and Silvio. So Silvio, you belong to South India, right?
Yes.
So Hyderabad is a part of also South India. So how they prepared the food?
Hyderabad biryani is much more spicier than our Kerala biryani, so I'm gonna try it.
Okay, you are not right. Now Asfaq.
Is spicy. I'm coming the second time here.
Okay, okay.
To experience.
Okay. Melissa, you want to speak?
Yeah, it's been a good place over here in Hyderabad biryani. So we are having lunch over here.
Hey guys, we are at Hyderabadi biryani, and I think it's a good place to chill out, hang out, and yeah, the taste of the food is also better. So do try. I think Hyderabad biryani is much more better than normal biryani. So we are going to try.
इसका नाम क्या है? Hyderabad.
Just for vlog, I mean, just introduce guys.
Hyderabad biryani is a good. Hyderabad biryani is a good thing, and it's a good recipe, and it's a new experience.
Okay, this is your Sashank, your friend, food vlogging. I am here with my friend. I am introducing. This is Melissa, my friend from Goa. Rohit from Goa.
Hey guys.
And Asfa from Andaman Nicobar. And Silvio from Kerala, right?
Hi.
Okay. And I am from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. So today is on a special day, Christmas. So we all together here just for the celebrating Christmas, right?
With water?
Guys here. No, I don't. I don't want. So today we are over here celebrating I always have been, keen about to eat Hyderabadi, because you know guys, Hyderabadi is just cooked on a 4-layering biryani, and it's prepared around. It takes 8 hour, 12 hour preparing for having meals with the guys.
Hey guys, you can see the Budweiser water is
We all are right.
Guys, you can see this Budweiser water first time I'll be drinking this water, and I haven't experienced anything like this. I'm only drinking Budweiser beer. Budweiser beer. This water is okay.
So we are here with the chicken chili and we're gonna try it. What is the taste?
This dish looks so amazing. Yeah.
Thank you.
Definitely I got this like this.
Thank you so much.
Slow motion.
So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna taste it.
Just let me know the taste of this way.
Nice, nice.
Malaysian. Nice?
Very good. I think you should all try it.
Yeah, of course, bro. Obvious, I am here just for the taste, and I will let you know how is the taste. Rohit, bro, kindly let me know the taste. How is the taste?
The food is just awesome.
Food is
You can
awesome.
see the chicken here. We get the whole leg piece. And it's tasting just fabulous.
Super. Silju, how is the taste?
But more spicier than our Kerala wala area.
Awesome. Now I'm left and I'm gonna take a little bit bite and I will let you know how was the taste. So actually this is the biryani recipe, so I don't think I should use the spoon. So I used to eat with my 5-finger and along with the tradition way.
Plate to full space.
Super. That's why I came here. Having a biryani Hyderabadi. It's super delicious food, bro. Really, literally, I'm telling you. You can see the meat of chicken. It's well cooked. And I can I barely amuse myself. But when I having a biryani, even especially when Hyderabadi biryani, I enjoy a lot because it's they used a 4 layering biryani marination process, and it is cooked for a 15-hour marination process, and then raw chicken they use.
Alida.